Do you know the story of a poor boy who sold newspapers and later became the President of India? He was not born into power or money, but his dreams were big and his heart was strong. This is the inspiring story of Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, a man who taught us to dream, to work hard, and to never give up. This is the story of a boy who became India's missile man. He later became the President of India. His name was Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. He is loved and respected all over the world. He was born on October 15, 1931, in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. His family was poor but kind and honest. His father was a boat owner and imam of a mosque. They lived a simple life with strong values. From a young age, Kalam was curious and hardworking. He used to sell newspapers to support his family. Even with money problems, he never gave up on studies. He loved science and mathematics. He completed his schooling in Rameswaram. Then he moved to Rameswaram for higher education. He studied physics at St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Later, he joined Madras Institute of Technology. At MIT, he studied aerospace engineering. He dreamed of flying and designing aircraft. He worked very hard on his final year project. His professors were impressed with his dedication. After graduation, he joined DRDO as a scientist. There he worked on small aircraft projects. Later, he moved to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. He led the team that built India's first satellite launch vehicle. This rocket launched the Rohini satellite into space. It made India proud in the world of science. Kalam faced many failures, but he never gave up. He believed failures are part of learning. He worked on Agni and Prithvi missiles. These made India strong in defense. That's why he is called the Missile Man of India. His work changed the future of Indian science. Kalam was simple and down to earth. He lived a disciplined life with few needs. He wore simple clothes and had no luxury. Even as a top scientist, he stayed humble. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1997. It is India's highest civilian award. People respected him not only for science, they loved his character and inspiration. In 2002, he became the President of India. He was the 11th President and served till 2007. He was known as the People's President. He loved to meet and speak with students. He believed in the power of young minds. He always said, "Dream big, work hard." After his presidency, he didn't stop working. He continued teaching and writing books. He visited schools and colleges across India. He wanted every child to believe in themselves. One of his famous books is Wings of Fire. It is his autobiography and loved by many. Kalam believed in simple living and high thinking. He had no house or car of his own. He followed discipline every day of his life. He woke up early and stayed focused. He didn't marry or have children. He treated all Indian youth as his children. Kalam was also a great speaker. His speeches were always filled with hope and wisdom. He believed that knowledge should be shared. He always encouraged learning and creativity. He respected all religions and loved peace. He believed in unity and harmony. He often said, "Learning gives creativity, and creativity leads to thinking." His favorite subjects were science and spirituality. He read the Quran and Bhagavad Gita both. He was also interested in music. He played the veena in his free time. He was a pure soul and deeply patriotic. His heart beat for India till his last breath. On July 27, 2015, he went to Shillong. He was invited to give a lecture to students. While speaking on stage, he collapsed suddenly. He died doing what he loved, teaching. His death shocked the entire nation. People from all over the world paid tribute. His body was taken to his hometown. He was buried in Rameswaram with full honor. A memorial was built in his name. It reminds us of his great work and values. Kalam's life is a lesson for every student. He showed that dreams can come true with effort. He once said, "If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun." His life was full of challenges and success. He turned every failure into a new beginning. He respected teachers and always remembered his own. He said a teacher can change many lives. He believed education is the real power, and knowledge is the best gift for society. Kalam wanted India to become a superpower. He had a 2020 vision for the country. He worked with scientists, students, and soldiers. He connected with every part of society. Even after death, his words still inspire. His books are read by millions today. He proved that background doesn't define success. Your effort and attitude do. Every child in India knows his name. They see him as a role model. He lived like a true leader. He led by example, not just words. He had a smile that gave hope. He believed in spreading positivity. Kalam once said, "Never stop fighting until you arrive at your goal." These words continue to motivate people today. He inspired even world leaders and scientists. His ideas were respected everywhere. Kalam's dream was to see India strong, educated, and united. He gave his life for that dream. His thoughts are now a part of school textbooks. Children grow up learning about him. He taught us to never be afraid of failure. Failures are the stepping stones to success. Dr. Kalam may not be with us now, but his dream, words, and spirit live on forever. Dr. Kalam's life shows us that nothing is impossible. With hard work and a good heart, we can achieve anything. He may not be with us today, but his words, dreams, and lessons still guide us. Thank you for watching and learning with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Let's keep learning English, and let's keep growing together.